Let's do question number 9 of the assignment. Find the mode of the given distribution. Find the mode of given distribution. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Frequencies are given 2, 12, 22, 8, and 6. Find the mode of this data. Find the mode. Mode find out करने के लिए first we check the modal class. Modal class is this one is the modal class. So this is F1, F0, and F2. Modal class is 20 to 30. Now mode is equal to L plus H, F1 minus F0 over 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now L is 20, class size is 10, F1 minus F0 which is 10, 2 times F1, 2 times F1 means 44, minus F0, 0, 12, and minus F2, 8. So 20 plus 100 over 20 over 24. Now calculate this and tell me what is the mode of this data. Now next question number 10. Question number 10 is write the frequency distribution table for the following data. Less than type data दिया हुआ है हमें. We have to convert this data into frequency distribution. Means आपको cumulative frequency दी है. You have to find the frequency. So write down the table where marks are given. The question is write the frequency. Write the frequency distribution table of the following data, and the data is marks below 10, below 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And the next column is number of students. They are 0, 12, 20, 28, 33, and 40. So here first you will make the class intervals. Here the class size is 10. If class size is 10, then intervals are 0 to 10, because below 10 class size is 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Now write down the frequency. This is the cumulative frequency. हमें frequency table बनाना है, तो अब आप इसको frequency find out करोगे यहाँ से. So find it, hurry up. 0 to 10. Below 10, how many students are there? 0. Now 10 to 20 means below 20 there are 12. यहाँ पे below 20 में 10 वाले भी include हैं, but हमें 10 वाले नहीं चाहिए. So what we will do? 12 minus 0, which is again 12. Now complete this table. Next is below 30. Below 30 में below 20 वाले भी include हैं. So next below 20 to 30 की range कितनी आ जाएगी? 12 minus 12, 20 minus 12, 8. Now complete the table. Okay, who will tell me what is the frequency for 30 to 40 interval? Except Drig, any other student? Malvika. Okay, Malvika. Yes, Malvika, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 20.
30 to 40 interval.
Yes, ma'am.
20 आएगा how?
Ma'am, 28 minus 8.
28 minus
8.
Yes, Ashish. Devishi.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Yes. Next for next. 40 to 50.
5.
Yes.
5.
5. And 40 to 33.
Ma'am, 7.
मालविका सी, आपने चेक करना था 30 टू 40 के इंटरवल में. बिलो 40 आपके पास 28 है, और जो बिलो 30 है वहां पे 20 है. बिलो 30 में तो ये ऑलरेडी इंक्लूड है सारे. बट यू विल डू देन 28 minus 20, then 33 minus 28, 40 minus 33, right? So now next question. The marks obtained by the 60 students out of 15 mathematics examination are given below. Write the above distribution as less than type. इसमें क्या था हमारे पास? लेस देन में दिया हुआ था, हमने फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल में कन्वर्ट किया. Now in next question, less than type cumulative frequency distribution is given. We have to convert it into, sorry, frequency distribution is given. We have to convert it into cumulative frequency. So write down the table. Question number 11. The marks obtained by students. The marks obtained by students marks obtained by 60 students out of 15 mathematics examination out of 50 in mathematics examination are given below. Are given below. Now write down the data, marks and number of students. Marks and number of students. Marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And the next is number of students are 5, 13, 12, 20, and 10. You have to find, this is the frequency, you have to find the cumulative frequency for less than type. So for less than, you must write the intervals, again marks, and then cumulative frequency. Now for less than type cumulative frequency, what you will write? In less than, we take the upper limits, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, 40, and 50. Yeah. So write down. First is less than 10, then less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. Now less than 10, how many students are there? 5. Less than 20, less than 20 में 0 to 10 वाले भी include होंगे, so 13 plus 5, 18. Now complete this table. Complete the table. Okay, who will tell me? Raise your hand. Sushant, Devishi, Pushkar, any other? Malvika, Lavanya, any other? ये बच्चे तो frequent answer करते हैं. Yes, Himani. Himani, unmute yourself.
मैम लेस देन 30 में 30 आया आंसर आया 30
Yes.
फिर
Then less than 40,
33
less than 40 में
33
why 33? See, less than 40 में हमें सारे numbers चाहिए, तो उसमें क्या आएगा? 30 plus 20, 50.
50
Right? Okay. And the last,
Yes.
less than 50?
60
60. Okay.
60
Right. Now next question is, do you have graph paper? We will do one question of graph. Following distribution show the marks obtained by the class of 100 students. This is the question number 6 on page number 37. Those who have assignment, otherwise I am going to write the question on the board. Those who have assignment, they can see the question number 6 on page number 37. So I am writing down question number 6. The following distribution, your exams are going to start from day after to on 22nd. Na? So if you have any doubt regarding your PT1 syllabus in any from these 3 chapters, you can ask tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we have 2 days. So bring with your doubts tomorrow. Come with your doubts. Here the following distribution shows the marks obtained. Shows the marks obtained. And send me your doubts today on my WhatsApp number, right? First send me your doubts, then we will discuss those doubts tomorrow. By the class of 100 students. Here marks 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. And then number of students. Number of students are 10, 15, 30, 32, 8 and 5. Here the question is draw less than of there for the above data and find median graphically and verify the result by actual method. So first we will find the less than type. So make the table for marks first. Marks are less than 20 and then cumulative frequency. Less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60 and less than 70. Now find the cumulative frequency. It is less than 20, 10, then less than 30, 15 plus 20, 10, 25, 25 plus 30, 55, 55 plus 32 is 87, 87 plus 8 is 95, 95 plus 5 is 100. So first draw the table and then less than type. Less than type के लिए हमारे पास first you will write the class intervals on the means these upper limits on the x-axis and cumulative frequency on the y-axis. उसके लिए हमारे पास क्या coordinates बन जाएंगे, points क्या बनेंगे 10, 20 and 10, 30 and 25, 40 and 55, 50 and 87, 60 and 95, 70 and 100. Draw this table. Then graph of this. Try graph yourself. Now for graph, take upper limits on x-axis and cumulative frequency on y-axis. Upper limit 10, 20. You can also start from the 20 by pink, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Again, I am here also take the distance of scale of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here it is, these are upper limits. And here are cumulative frequency. You can also write marks. Now scale is 10 small divisions is equal to 10 units on both sides, on both axes. 10 small divisions is equal to 10 units. Now first is 20 and 10, 20 and 10. Thirty and 25, 30 and 25, then 40 and 55, 40 and 55, then 50 and 87, 50 and here somewhere 50 and 87, 60 and 95, 60 and 95, then 70 and 100. Suppose this point is 70 and 100. Now join these points freely by freehand. Now we have to find the median from this graph. Who will tell me how can we find the median from the graph? Devishi, any other? Yes, Rhythm. Can you answer? Rhythm. Rhythm, raise your hand. Okay, Rhythm, unmute yourself. वंश दीप अब आ रहे हैं, उनको अब टाइम मिला. यस पुष्कर.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
फ्रीक्वेंसी है उसका टोटल जो आएगा n/2 करके.
हाँ मुझे बताओ n क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंसी का टोटल. फ्रीक्वेंसी का टोटल कितना है?
100.
100. तो n/2 कितना आ जाएगा हमारे पास? 100/2. तो वो कितना आ गया हमारे पास? 50. अब 50 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आप यहाँ पे जाओगे 50 एंड यहाँ पे 50, इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग चेक करो कितनी वैल्यू आ रही है यहाँ एक्स एक्सिस एंड टेल मी द आंसर. 50 हमने लेना है इन क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, उस एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, वहां से ग्राफ पे जिस पॉइंट पे कट करे वहां पे एक्स एक्सिस पे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है. परपेंडिकुलर जिस पॉइंट पे कट करेगा एक्स एक्सिस को वो हमारा आएगा मीडियन. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीडियन. यस ड्रिग.
मैम 40.
40. सुशांत.
37 आ रहे हैं.
37 आ रहा है. एनी अदर? यस देविशी.
मैम 39.
39. और किसी का कोई और आंसर आ रहा हो? क्योंकि बोर्ड पे मैंने बनाया है, मुझे उसका एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं पता. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी विल चेक आवर आंसर बाय एक्चुअल कैलकुलेशन. हरी अप, डू इट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू द क्वेश्चन ऑन द बोर्ड. नाउ यू हैव अ टेबल. आपने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड आउट की हुई है. अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीडियन बाय कैलकुलेशन. देन वी विल क्रॉस चेक आवर आंसर. अदरवाइज अगर पेपर में कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो वहां पे वेरिफिकेशन करने का आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, तो वेरिफिकेशन नहीं करोगे. हाँ 39 आ रहा है, मीन 40 आ रहा है, 1 अप टू 1 पॉइंट तक डिफरेंस आ सकता है, राइट? इससे ज्यादा नहीं. 40 और 37 3 पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा है. So check by actual calculation. Hurry up. You will do it yourself. So median is equal to 38.33 or you can also write 39. ग्राफ से अगर 39 आ रहा है, वेरिफिकेशन में 38.33, both are right. Let us do one question of mean by all the three methods so that आपको फॉर्मूला एक बार तीनों फॉर्मूले रिवाइज हो जाए. मोड हो गया हमारा, मीडियन हो गया, मीन इज लेफ्ट. So write down the question. Find the mean of the following distribution table by all the three methods. Question is find the mean of the following distribution table find the mean of following distribution